Thanks for stopping by today. Today I got a few electrical items I'm going to recover copper from. Let's get started. We'll get started with this old shop vac first. I'm going to try to get the motor out of it. Here's everything we recovered from the shop vac. And we're going to tear everything apart before we lay it all up. Next item we got on the scrapping list is an old blender. Here's everything we recovered from the blender. Next scrapping item, a fan. Here's the scrapper we recovered from the fan. Next scrapping item is a vacuum motor. There's everything we recovered from the vacuum. Last item to scrap on the list is a pool filter. Here's a complete inventory of all the items disassembled. Let's get an estimated value on it. 6 pounds of steel, almost 3 pounds of insulated wire, half a pound of aluminum, about a quarter pound of brass, 2 pounds of copper. We have 3 armatures that weigh about 4 pounds. I would say half a pound of copper in there. Estimated value at this time about $8 for everything. That's pretty close to $2 for each item, give or take a little bit each way. It's not a lot of money, but every little bit adds up. Thanks for following along. We'll see you guys in the next one.